Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. We need those blocks, 49, we need to open that as well. We have not touched them due to the fact that we were doing other things from different parts. Okay, so we get that out. This is something we did earlier, and as you can see, I've screwed everything in already. It seems that this is it for this build. As you can see right there, we put this together and put that strengthening part in, and there's a lot more on the in the magazines, but that's all to do with how the paint schemes that you want on that Millennium Falcon outside. But this is it for this build. Thank you very much. This was quite a fiddly one and quite a long one. I think it's 2 hours in total, but I can condense that because we're doing a lot of screwing. So I either speed it up or just go straight to when it's finished. But you'll see that in the video that I put up for you. Or you saw that. And I hope you will join me next time on any of my other builds. May it be that one, or any of those in the background that you see right there, and or any of those that are in my channel that have already been built, and there are quite a few really nice ones out there. Optimus Prime, Miura, the Lamborghini, yes, the Lamborghini Miura, and a whole lot more. So check out my channel and join me next time. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and see you then. Bye bye.